innovative, not only innovative, a rich, high thinking leadership we have, which no other states can boast of. I'm not talking of what is the percentage of exports we do in IT, what is the FDI, 45% or 48% we have in the last 1 year of the entire country, it is flown into Karnataka. All these figures are there to see. But our real strength is the talented, high-skilled human power, and that is also seen in institutions. We have got more than 300 R&D institutions of international repute in most of the high-tech niche areas. Therefore, we have got policies in place for aerospace technology, space technology, defense technology, semiconductors, artificial intelligence, renewable energy, you name it, it is there. Of course, IT/BT is always there as a flagship of our innovations. So I just give a call, a simple call to the great leaders, not only present here, present across the globe, who are watching this 3-day summit, that each one of you are most warmly welcome to be a part of our ecosystem and be a leader. Come out with the flying colors and make Karnataka, Bangalore, which is already flying high, it should fly to the beyond the sky. Now, it is like innovation is Saraswati. You know the vehicle of Saraswati is the Hamsa. And Hamsa is the largest bird, heavy bird, but it flies the highest levels. Highest levels. You go to Kailas Manasa Sarovara, you will find Hansas, no eagles there. And this Bangalore is like a great Hamsa, a vehicle of Saraswati. So we have to take to the heights of Manas Sarovara, Kailash Manas Sarovara, abode of Shiva, where a greatest creator and innovator just stays there and blesses us. Therefore, through innovations, let us build a new mankind, a new age, human being, a new order, where all people have get all the opportunities and the best of the talents come out with the flying colors, and Karnataka is the place, is the future. Therefore I said that I am sitting in a spaceship of future, and let us make the future very bright, not only for the innovative people, but to the last man, the common man, the poor man, a movers and shaker of this economy, bottom of the pyramid. Make life more comfortable, make his life with the high standards, let him live one of the best facilities available through our education, through our jobs, through our skill. This is what I just want to say, and I hope this spaceship and the Hamsa of Saraswati, called innovative, and as our Minister rightly said, our Honorable Prime Minister has given a word, Atmanirbhar, and we follow it in letter and spirit. Our Honorable Prime Minister has been an inspiring leader. He always thinks of the future of the country, and we have to keep in pace with his thinking. Therefore, we say that Nama Karnataka Dinda Nama Bharata. That's a new Karnataka which leads to new Bharata. Therefore, Make in Karnataka will lead to Make in India. So let us all strive for that. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ಟು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.